So dito, scan mo lang dun yung QR code para magbayad. Tapos ipupul mo yung yellow string pagpapara ka. Ang saya ko, ngayon lang ulit ako nakapag-bus after magpa 5 years. Na-experience ko ulit mag-commute. Hello! Saya mag-bus guys. Na-miss ko talaga mag-bus. Kaya lang nag-amali kami ng sinakyan. So bumaba kami dito sa station. Sobrang galang nila dito, no? Hindi nila tinatantanan yung driver hanggat hindi sila narinig mag-thank you. Gagalang nila lalo na yung mga elders dito, panay bati sa amin. 10 minutes pala bago dumating yung bus. So tatambay muna tayo sa library. Grabe, napaka-accessible dito guys. Alam mo yun. Marami kang pwedeng tambayan pag naboring ka. At saka, almost lahat ng pasyalan dito, free. Kaya, ramdam na ramdam mo yung benefits dito sa Canada kasi ang daming mga pa-free gala, free use of library, mga playground.
Mommy, I want to go back inside.
Ang daming ibon dito, nakakatuwa. Ang lalaki pa nila. Ayan o. Bird! What's that? Run! Ay nako, nakakita lang ng playground to mga to.
A few moments later.
Andito na kami sa Micmac Mall, guys. Kakababa lang namin ng bus stop.
I'm the queen.
Hmm?
I'm a queen.
Kain muna kami dito sa Micmac Mall. Yan. May batang nawili sa KFC. Yummy yan. Jollibee Chicken Joy tawag niya dyan, guys. Napapapikit pa sa sarap.
Yummy!
So, Happy New Year sa inyo dyan sa Pilipinas. Try natin yung milk tea nila dito, guys. Mukhang masarap. Yung toppings ng mga milk tea nila. Ang sasarap. Wow! Nag-order ako ng best seller nila, yung winter melon. OMG, nakakashock yung milk tea nila dito, guys. Parang pang hanggang bukas ko na siya. Grabe kalaki, B. Yan ang bata, nagme-milk tea. Be, makaka 1 liter ka na, be. After kumain ng 2 pieces na fried chicken, nakatulog.
Nice!
Malaya tayo makapag-shopping ngayon dahil tulog ang panganay. Yan, ang daming sale dito, mga clearance sale. Oh. Ang daming mura dito, guys. Alam mo yung mahal sa atin sa Pilipinas. Sa kanila, regular lang yung mga yan. So, pag bagong dating ka dito, huwag ka magpapasilaw sa mga sale. Pwede ba maglakad na lang na nakapikit? Ang dami kasi talagang sale dito. Matutokso ka. Pero pag hindi mo naman kailangan, huwag mong bilhin. That's it. We need to manage our finances. Kung gustong makaipon agad, di ba? Ang dami magagandang bag dito. What's that? Ngayon, ayan, may mga bagong labas sila ngayon. Hala, oo. Ito yung shoes ko, oh, parehas. $100 lang dito. Samantalang bili ko sa Pinas, 8,500. Ang shoes na to, oh. Magkano na lang to? $70 na lang. Shucks. From $200 na din, 70 na lang. Size ko pa naman to, size 6. May mga bagay talagang magsisisi ka na binili mo agad, no? Tapos biglang may sale. Ang cute ng mga ganito kasi ang hirap partneran, eh. The first thing we need to do is to search for Halifax Go app sa App Store or Play Store. And then we will download it. After downloading the app, let's open it. Let's click buy tickets and passes. What I usually buy here is the 1-day pass kasi nakakailang sakay ako sa isang araw. So this one's valid for a 24-hour ride. $750. They have different rates for senior and youth, so may discount sila. I'll be choosing adult 1-day pass. So, accept and continue mo lang yan. You can use this ticket for both ferries and buses here in Halifax. So, let's choose the adult 1-day pass. As you can see, my Visa card is directly connected with this app. So, I don't need to add new card. For the first timers, you have to fill this up. You can use debit card or credit card and put the security code and expiration date. So, I'm gonna pay using my Visa card and put the CVV. Transaction successful. So, you can see your purchase ticket on the ticket wallet. Once you press that green button, the ticket will be activated for 24 hours and it will generate a QR code that you can use to pay for your trip. Just simply point the QR code on their scanner and everything will be automated. You can also view the schedules and route maps of the buses, the transit code or bus number, and the location of the bus stations. Now, let me share you how I use Google Maps for my travel. So, this is my location, the Alexander, and I'm going to Public Gardens in Summer Street, Halifax. It says here that it will be a 6-minute drive and about 14 minutes if I'm gonna take the bus. So these are the bus numbers that I can ride. Bus number 1, 8, 9B, and 10A. It says here that the bus will arrive at 2:03 p.m. and the wait time is 6 minutes. It says here that you need to arrive at 2:07 p.m. in Spring Garden Road before South Park Street. Plus a 4-minute walk, you will arrive at your destination. So that's it, guys. I hope you learned from that simple tutorial. Like, share, and subscribe. Thank you, guys.
Bye-bye.